We're at the flagship VERTIGO Flexstar facility. We're in a 50 light flowering room that's harvesting tomorrow. And we're just peeping some beautiful flowers. So we've got 50 flowering lights in this room. 50 645 watt Flexstar Pro Series. And for every overhead light on a 4x4, we run 220 watt R8 Flexstar under Canopy light. It's a killer combo, like it's unmatched. I have 7, 8 different grow facilities. I have all different applications. I've grown for years and years. This combo here, it just crushes quality, yield, color, smoke, terpenes, everything. And in a market that is so quality dependent right now, there's so much mid-grade product on the market. LED has been the future, it is the future, but it's not just any LED, right? I've ran tons of LED lights that even after a trial run, immediately got rid of them because the flower just it wasn't at the par with like what we would grow under like a regular traditional HPS room. Whereas I've never had an off run with the Flexstar lights. We're upwards of 50% more volume out of our canopy here just by installing these lights and making some minor changes in the way that we grow things. A few years back, I was designing some monster facilities for the company that I was the grower for. I was in the process of designing for 12,000 lights worth of canopy. I had to fly to Vegas to find, the best LED light that I can feel comfortable in designing with. And I don't have to stress these plants out like crazy towards the end to be able to get this dark color, which again, going back to this like very competitive market that we're in right now, this light spectrum that caters to my formula very well gives me, again, best of both worlds with that. All right, so this here, we've got like one of our staples. This has become one of our more popular strains in today's market. This is the Crunch Berries from Fire Farmer. Notoriously like a super short stacked plant. Historically, these would yield a lot less for the cultivator, whereas, with this application, with the 645 watt Pro and under canopy lights, I could still push north of 3 pounds per light fixture versus another brand is not the same 120 watts. So, I mean, the proof is in the pudding, right? This is not an ad, but it is for Flexstar.